Hi, I'm Rock, Brand Manager for Lanikai Ukuleles. I'd like to speak a little bit about our 5-string ukuleles. We have them in a few different series. I have the Flame Maple here today, but it adds another octave on the G string. So what I'll show you now is, you're all familiar with the traditional tuning and the sound of that. The extra octave on the 5-string allows some extra depth to what you're doing, and it also is kind of a gateway for guitarists. So if you're a guitarist that would like to get into ukulele, maybe the 5-string is a little bit more suited to you. So here's an example of just a typical guitar riff on a ukulele, and then I'll play it on the 5-string and you'll hear the difference. Still works on ukulele, but when you apply it to a 5-string, get that depth and richness. So that's one point. The other point is because of the re-entrant tuning on a ukulele, where it does that jump there, that's called re-entrant. When you have that re-entrant tuning like that, it's difficult to apply some guitar riffs. So again, the 5-string kind of lends itself to that. So if you're just doing a typical pentatonic scale, it jumps to the octave when you get to a traditional ukulele. But with the 5-string, now it's so you fill in that low tone. Yes, you still have that high octave, but it's okay because you're hearing that deep one with it. So if you're playing some soloing, you can actually play around that a little bit more, and you can kind of, guitar players are used to riffing on that low string or kind of going off of that. So it would sound a little more like this. So it gives you a little more depth, a little more range, and you're not kind of limited by that re-entrant tuning. So as a guitar player, the 5-string might be for you. And if you're just a traditional ukulele player as well, that 5th string will help you with some depth. So I encourage ukulele players, pick up a 5 and try it out. Guitar players, try a 5 as well.